How's it going, squad? Hope you're all doing well, and welcome to today's Blaze High Intensity Total Core Focus session. Now this workout is only going to be 10 minutes long, but it's going to be back to back to focus on building up that strength within the core and to really push forward with your training. Now, in my opinion, your core, your abs work best with short burst high intensity workouts. So anywhere from around 5 to 15 minutes of core focus work on a regular basis. I'm not talking about just one session a week. I'm talking about adding in a few times a week, especially this type of workout here that you're going to perform. If you can add this in on a regular basis on top of your exclusive workouts, you're going to see some brilliant results, especially if you're looking to shape off, strengthen your total core, because it is a muscle group. Also, your abs are a muscle group, and the more regular that you train them, the better results you're going to get. So I would definitely recommend to add this session in. It is 10 no repeat exercises, 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest, just one movement after another. I have the full layout in the description box below. However, I'm going to be talking you through how to perform every single movement whilst we perform this session together in real time. Rep range, I want you to go to failure. I want you to push out as many good form, as many good controlled reps as you can get within each 45 seconds. Take that 15-second of recovery and then go again with the next movement, okay? So get ready, get focused, and let's push forward together with this Blaze core workout. Let's get it, squad. Our 10-minute total core Blaze high intensity workout begins now. Before I set the timer, the first movement is going to be heels to heaven. So legs out straight, kicking right up in the air as high as you can. Bringing the hips up off the ground if you can. Legs coming out straight, right up, perfect for the lower abs. Okay, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. It's all body weight this total core session. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Legs out. You can place your hands underneath your hips if you want to, okay? Ten seconds, let's go. 3, 2, 1, good. Right, the next one is a cross over crunch. So opposite elbow to the opposite knee. Bring the leg up over your knee and come up like so. Alternate, perfect for the lower abs and the obliques. Right, so you're doing a full set on this side, then the next set we're going to swap round. Left elbow to the right knee, up and twist. Good. "20 seconds, control the breathing, up and across. "10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, swap. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Set, let's go. 10 seconds. Good work. Okay, next one. All I want you to do is hold the plank, okay? Hold the plank straight. Keep the core tight, keep everything engaged. Go on, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work. Okay, next one is window wipers. Legs coming down to one side, up, down to the opposite side. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right, so I'm placing my hands to the side, legs come down, and then up, and rotate round. Seconds. Go on, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now it's just a normal crunch. Legs up off the ground. Just coming up and doing your normal crunch, okay? Feel the burn. Let's go. Core's on fire. Let's go. Right, there's about 10 seconds remaining. Let's keep going. Oh, good. Right then. Okay, the next one is flutter kicks. Lying back, just kicking up and down with the legs. Up and down. You go slow or as quick as you want. I'm going to place the hands underneath the hips. I'm going to go with these flutter kicks. Feel the breathing. Go on, 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Toe touches is next. Okay, legs up straight. We're coming up to touch your toes like that. Right, we're nearly there. It's about 3 minutes remaining. Let's go. Up. Even if you can't touch your toes, that's fine. Just come up as if you are touching them. You'll feel that in the lower part of the stomach, on the legs. Keep going, you see me struggling. This is as real as it gets, these workouts. 15 seconds. That's the toughest one there. It's the toughest exercise yet. 3, 2, 1. Okay, cross the body, mountain climbers. Okay, once again, it's up to you to go as fast or as slow as you want, but we're crossing over the body, left, right, left, right. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Cross the body, get that twist. 20 seconds. Let's go. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, this is a nice wee finisher for you. Heel taps, side to side heel taps. Lying back, and all you're doing is just twisting around, tapping the heels. Okay? Get ready. Let's go. Just twisting around, side to side. Twenty seconds. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warriors, what a session. Our quick and intense Blaze total core workout. That right there is a session to add to your favourites right away, because if you want to shred up, focus on targeting the core, that session is a workout that I would recommend to add in every other day basically, okay? It's only 10 minutes and the core works so well being trained a lot, okay? So in short bursts, so like 5 to 10 minute sessions on a regular basis. Add these in on top of your Train Like a Warrior exclusive workouts and you're going to see some brilliant results, okay? But definitely add that to your favourites. Do that every other day and trust me, you're going to see some brilliant results within your core, okay? Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know if you enjoy these core workouts and I will definitely produce a lot more of them on a regular basis within the studio. But once again, it's up to you to leave the comment, give me your feedback. If you want more core focused workouts with different sort of training routines to keep that progressive overload, let me know and I will add them in. Tag me in your stories, keep up the momentum, and I'll see you on the next exclusive Train Like a Warrior workout.